Ain't gonna tell.
Café Frida.
Look at it. It's so nice. This is
Great customer service.
beautiful
Matcha.
coffee shop, you guys. I mean, Café Frida. See that? It's so nice. Look at that. That's their wall across this from them. Isn't that pretty? So cute. Nice little chairs. Maybe we'll sit over here. So cute. Oh, look cute little chair. This is cute. They look cute in here. I like the little cute couch. Cute mirror. What's over here? Get some ice cream over here. Oh, so they have an ice cream shop next door. Nice. So you can get coffee and ice cream. Look at that. Isn't it nice? I like it. Me and my daughter should sit here. I'm gonna show you guys this place. Hold on. About to get my coffee now. So I'm gonna drink my coffee here. Caramel frappuccino. With less sugar, but a lot of cream. A lot of whipped cream though. It's so good. It's so delicious. And I am at Café Frida in Dallas, Texas. Little cute little shop is so cute. At Café Frida in Dallas, Texas. Come by, you guys. It's delicious. Nice, cute little shop.
Frappuccino.
Okay, I got caramel frappuccino. And she put a cone straw in there. It's a cone straw. Wow, that looks so good. Look, you guys. Don't that look good? Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, don't that look delicious? Ooh, cute little coffee place. It's so cute. Look at that. Caramel frappuccino. With less sugar, but a lot of cream. A lot of whipped cream though. It's so good. It's so delicious.